here I am again. Sorry about the lighting. This is my second video on my PC build. My lamp sucks and the weather in Sweden sucks. So, but I'll be doing this anyway. I need some tips. I've got this new part. It's a huge cooling unit for the processor. Get that into the spotlight. It's Revoltech Ultra Extreme Mega something. Fancy name for it. It's a cooling unit made by aluminium, and it's huge. I don't know if you can see that. Those are 2 fingers, and it's enormous. And I have big hands, so I've been having some trouble fitting that into my rather small area on the motherboard. So if I'm jumping around here too much, there we are. We have lighting. If you want to know what's shining, that's the anti-static plastic, because I don't want to burn it with the static shock. Sorry about that, my English isn't perfect. This unit right here, that's copper, and it is passive cooling. So, I need a tip on how to raise this huge cooling thing just a couple of millimeters, just to fit it in there. Because right now it sits not on top of the processor and the holes don't align, and that sucks big time, because I can't put it this way, and I simply can't put it like this either, of course. So I need a tip. I've been in some stores and checked out if they have like copper plates or anything, but they were just like, no, we don't sell that kind of small part in here, we just sell the whole thing at once. So please give me a tip. So I hope the next clip will be more exciting. Bye.